Example 3, we are asked to express 336 as a product of its prime factors. We also use the division table. 336, we start dividing it by 2. 2 into 3 is 1 remainder 1. 2 into 13 is 6 remainder 1. 2 into 16 is 8. But 168 is not a prime number, so we divide by 2. 2 into 1 it cannot. 2 into 16 is 8 times, and 2 into 8 is 4. 84 is not a prime number. You still divide by 2 because it is divisible by 2. How do I know that it is still divisible by 2? Because the last digit is said to be a multiple of 2. So 2 into 8 is 4. 2 into 4 is 2. 42 is not a prime number. I'll keep dividing until I get to a prime number. 2 into 42 is 21. 21 is not a prime number and it's not divisible by 2. So I'm going to divide by 3. 3 into 21 is 7. And 7 is a prime number. So 7 into itself is 1. So therefore, 336, if you express it as a product of its prime factor, is said to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 7, which can be expressed as 2 raised to the power of 4 times 3 times 7. And if you multiply these numbers back, it gives you 336. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall then take example 4.